My name is Shaumya Sarkar और आप देख रहे हैं Wealth Redefined blog. In today's blog, we will be talking about a very interesting fund called DSP Healthcare Fund. DSP Healthcare Fund is basically, as the name suggests, that it mostly invests into pharma and pharma related companies. So DSP came with a concept that they will not only invest into pharma companies, they will invest into the pharma and pharma related companies. What are the pharma related companies? Like for example hospitals, so for example the syringe making companies, for example the diagnostic companies and all those things. So this fund has come up with a new concept which in industry at that point of time nobody had it. And that is the reason that this fund has catched the attention of the investors. Now, as we may see a third wave of COVID and pharma companies will be expected to do well. So that is the reason I think that this is the right time when we should talk about the DSP Healthcare Fund. If we talk about as per this month, DSP Healthcare is approximately having 1300 crore of AUM. The fund P is more than 50 and price to book value is approximately more than 5.5. Fund P of more than 50 and price to book value more than 5.5 suggests that fund is slightly expensive. But in the good rally, even the expensive funds do well. There is a chance that this fund, even at this kind of PE and price to book value, may do well. So this fund has a Sharpe ratio of approximately 1.54 and Sortino ratio of approximately 1.67. It means that fund is taking the adequate risk to generate the return. Now if I talk about the return part, last 1 year the fund has generated approximately 19% annualized return. In 3 years, it has maintained a return of approximately 31%. It has given 31% CAGR return. As we talk about this fund is a healthcare fund, so this fund has good healthcare companies or pharma companies. For example, Sun Pharma, Cipla, Divi's Lab, Apollo Hospital, Max Hospitals, Dr. Reddy's, Lupin, Ipca Labs and all those things. If you look at the portfolio of this fund, you will see that this fund has invested into a quality portfolio. Very difficult for pharma companies to find all the companies which have a quality book and having a good network of hospitals, having a good lab facilities and all those things. But this is the in this fund manager has done well in terms of selecting the right stocks or right companies at the right time. This fund is managed by Mr. Vineet Samde. Vineet Samde is very well known fund manager and one of the star fund manager of DSP. He managed so many funds so well that his name is sufficient to invest into those funds. He has a good ability to picking up the stocks at the right time at right valuation. As the fund launched in 2019, so the fund is relatively new fund, and the drawdowns which it had seen, it's from September 2021 to December 2021. So it has not seen a major drawdowns. And by January, end of December 2021, when we are recording this video, we are seeing that the fund is getting out of the drawdown. So that means the fund may do very well in coming quarters. But as an investor, you must understand that these funds are sectorial funds, and it doesn't diversify too much into different sectors. So obviously, if you do not have the horizon, then probably if the sector doesn't run, your fund might not see any kind of growth. So that is the reason I would strongly recommend that you should talk to your investment advisor or financial advisor regarding this. Understand what is the risk into this and understand what is the benefit by investing into it. If you can analyze both the things with your investment advisor and he recommends you this fund for a long horizon, not for a short horizon like 3 months, 6 months or 1 year, rather than a horizon of more than 5 years, 7 years, 10 years kind of a thing, and it suits your goal planning, I think you may take these funds. This fund overall is a good fund, but as a cautious, you should understand how the sectorial funds work, and then you may take this fund. Thank you for watching this video. We'll come up with this kind of fund analysis, economic analysis and financial planning and other things on a regular basis. If you like the video, you may share it, you may subscribe to the channel, or you can send us through comment or mobile number which is already given in the video. We will try to reply your queries on a regular basis. Thank you very much for watching. Namaskar.